Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to share a male muscle anatomy 3D models for your Blender 3.5 with the facial shape key. And I also already share an FBX file. First, you can just go to my video descriptions. And then I already put the link at there. Get the male muscle 01 Blender project file. Once you get it, once you already download it, you will get two files. The first one is the Blender 3.5 project file, a male muscle file, a male muscle 01.blend, and another one is the FBX file. If you are not using the Blender 3.5, then you may just import the FBX file from there, and that is a zip file. You need to extract it. If you are using the Blender 3.5, that is cool. Just double click the male muscle 01. It is going to open by using the latest Blender that installed in your computer. And now I'm going to show you how to animate the facial shape key as well. Now you can see this is a complete muscle anatomy for male. Then for the facial shape key, and also how to animate the skeletons. Alright, first I start from the skeletons. You can just click the wire skeleton tab here. Click this. Then the viewport display, you choose from wire to become octahedral. Then you show to the front, you will see the whole skeletons. Then go to the pose mode there. You may animate it like this right now. Everything ready for animations. Right. So to animate the face, first I may just select the skeleton as the wire so that it won't influence too much. Then back to the object mode here. Click the face. First you click the body mesh here. Then this is to adjust the shape key all at here. Just for example, I choose from here, start from like eyes blinking. Then another one is the mouth open. You can see once you open the mouth, at the same time, the teeth and the tongue still at the original position. You may just click it. This name is the mouth open, so you click the teeth. Then choose the same morph, choose the same shape key, mouth open. Then click the tongue as well. Then choose the same name of the shape key here, mouth open. Then now you can see the mouth already opens with the proper shape key. Right. Now let's say this one, I reset it back to the 0. At the same time, the teeth also reset back to the 0. Then the body also reset the shape key to the 0. Let's say if I want to have some facial expression, for example the angle, then go to the teeth as well. Then choose the angle shape key. Alright, this one it doesn't have, then that means it is the same. This is the angle expressions. Right. That's all for today about my sharing of the male muscle anatomy for your Blender 3.5 with the facial shape key, and also full skeleton that you can animate it anytime. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials and sharing are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channels. And also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial or sharing, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation and game developing. See you.